Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Ledger X step by step. Start by unboxing your Ledger X, verify the hologram, and power it on to begin the secure setup process. Follow on-screen prompts to create a PIN, write down the recovery seed on the provided card, and confirm the seed. I'll guide you through connecting to the Ledger Live app and adding your first accounts to store crypto safely. Power on the device and select your preferred language, then choose to set up as a new device or restore from a recovery phrase. Create a strong PIN and repeat it to confirm, then write the 24-word recovery seed clearly and store it offline right away. I recommend using the included recovery card, never digital copies, and keeping the seed in 2 secure locations for redundancy and peace of mind. Quick recommendation: if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Also, check out a helpful read I enjoy, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs oddly well with crypto savings mindset. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Download Ledger Live on your computer or phone, install it, and open the app to begin device pairing. Choose to add accounts, select the cryptocurrency, and allow the app to communicate with your Ledger X when prompted. Verify each address on the device screen before sending or receiving funds, and update firmware when available. Ask for help if unsure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.